Title: Unlocking the Ultimate Airbnb Secrets, Top Tips for Scoring Unbeatable Deals in 2023. Host: Hey there, fellow travelers. Searching for the ultimate Airbnb hacks to score unbelievable deals in 2023? Look no further. I've got the insider tips to help you unlock the best bargains in no time. Host: Tip number 1, be flexible with your travel dates. By booking your stay during off-peak seasons or weekdays, you'll have a wider range of options and save big bucks. Host: Tip number 2, utilize those refined search options. Filter your results by price, location, and amenities to find the perfect accommodation that fits your budget and preferences. Host: Tip number 3, don't be afraid to negotiate. Reach out to hosts directly and politely ask if they can offer any special discounts or deals. You'd be surprised how often they're willing to accommodate. Host: Tip number 4, thoroughly read reviews from past guests. It's essential to know what others have experienced before making your decision. Remember, an honest review can save you from a nightmare stay. Host: Tip number 5, travel with a group. Adding extra guests to your booking can often result in significant discounts or even free upgrades. Host: Tip number 6, keep an eye out for promo codes. Many websites offer exclusive discounts or promo codes for Airbnb bookings. A simple search could get you an amazing deal. Host: And finally, tip number 7, confirm your reservation early. Scoop up those unbeatable deals before someone else does. Host: Well, folks, those are the ultimate Airbnb hacks for scoring the best deals in 2023. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Happy travels!